Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ramani. Today I want to talk about how you don't need to be perfect or try to have a perfect lock journey in order to post content on YouTube or Instagram about your locks. For those of you that are new here, I'm almost 4 years locked, but I didn't just start creating this lock content. I actually started creating my lock content when I was only 5 days locked. So I was only 5 days into my journey and I really wouldn't even call it starter locks at that point. It was honestly just twist. My hair was twisted, but I was still making these videos on YouTube talking about my locks. And every week and every month, I kept giving you all updates. So you all have seen my lock growth for the past 4 years. So I really want my journey to be a reminder to you that you can start creating content about your lock journey at any time. And I'm really making this video because anytime I meet someone or I talk to someone on the internet and they have locks, they always tell me about how they really want to create an Instagram page about their locks, or they want to start creating YouTube content about their locks. But typically they feel like they've just started their journey and they're not really an expert, so they can't really give people advice when it comes to their lock journey. And a lot of people just feel like they don't have the look, so their locks are not mature, maybe their locks are still in twists, and I'm here to tell you that that is all okay. Always remember that people want to see your journey and people want to see your story. Yes, it's super inspiring to see people who have locks to their low back or their butt or even their ankles, but when you're just starting out your locks, typically you have starter locks and you're looking for people who have starter locks. You're looking for people who are experiencing the same starter lock struggles as you, or you're looking for wash routines for starter locks. You're looking for something that you can resonate when you have starter locks. And you don't need to be an expert on locks. I'm not even an expert on locks. You just have to talk about what you're experiencing. So when I made that video when I was 5 days locked, I just talked about why I started my lock journey and what I was experiencing in that moment. I talked about the shrinkage and I talked about the unraveling and I talked about some of the awkward stages I was going through when it came to my locks. And people really resonated with that, which is why they subscribed and they wanted to be a part of this journey, but they didn't want to be a part of it because they felt like I was perfect. They wanted to be a part of this journey because they could see themselves in my content. Gone are the days where you have to be extremely perfect in order to create a community. People just want someone who they can truly relate to. So even if your locks aren't down your back, if you want to start talking about your journey on the internet, then start doing that. If you've been thinking about starting a lock channel on YouTube or a lock Instagram, today is the day to do that. I know this was a very quick video, but I just wanted to give a little motivation to anyone who wants to share their journey. If you enjoy videos like this one, I'm going to link my entire lock journey playlist down below, where I started at day 5 and I'm all the way almost 4 years locked. So you have a lot of content to binge watch. And if you made it this far in the video, please leave me a brown heart in the comments. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.